Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, convertible soft top, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, Bluetooth. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.